Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize USPS Form 1583. This essential document grants a commercial mail receiving agency, or CMRA, permission to handle your mail. Notarization is a vital step, confirming your identity and the authenticity of your signature. It ensures that your mail is securely managed by your chosen service. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your form is correctly processed and legally binding. Before meeting the notary, ensure you have two valid forms of identification. One must be a photo ID, like a driver's license or passport, and the other should confirm your current address. Carefully fill out every section of Form 1583, providing all necessary information for yourself and your chosen mail service. Remember, it is crucial not to sign the document until you are directly in front of the notary. When you meet the notary, hand them your completed but unsigned Form 1583 along with your identification. You will then sign the form in their presence. The notary's role is to confirm your identity, witness your signature, and ensure you understand the document's purpose. After this, they will complete their official section, apply their unique seal, and sign the form, making it legally valid. Once your Form 1583 is notarized, remember to make a copy for your personal files. This copy serves as proof of completion. The original, fully notarized document must then be submitted to your commercial mail receiving agency. This final step is crucial for activating your mail service and ensuring all your mail is handled correctly and legally. Proper notarization is key to a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.